good time. Maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right.
Just left from bargaining. We stopped over here in this parking lot. It looked like they got a car show over here, so we're gonna check this out real quick. It's a Camaro? Nice. Yeah. That's nice. I like this color, babe. What's this? Oh. $75. Did you? 30. Let me see your cookies. Ooh. Nate's Big Shop. Where we at?
I don't even know how to really.
You don't know how to say it. Crostadas. Krostakis. Hubby wanted to take us to a burger spot in Lubbock called Krostakis. Krostaki Burgers. Finna see what this about. Krostakis.
I brought the family this time.
Krostakis. washed my hair, so I'm about to like try to revive my curls because it's a mess. Yeah. Trying to revert back to its natural state, but I haven't been wearing it curly, so I'm gonna try to put some curl boss on it by Aunt Jackie and see if it'll come back to life. Because I did wear it like that earlier, but I didn't have the right product, so I was just trying to do something. But yeah, here we go. Alright, honestly, this looks so much better than earlier's video snippet. Oh my goodness. I think my curls are gonna be coming back very fast if I just take care of them. Yeah, this is the best I've ever looked in a while. So I'm gonna keep it going because I don't really have a stylist out here, so I really don't want to put a lot of heat on it myself because I know how damaging I can be with the flat iron. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this for a little while. Hey, we back in style. Most of the stuff at the, well, all of the stuff at the bargain bin was basically brand new. Like no one did anything. They had shoes, clothes, almost anything, gadgets, anything. So I got me a pair of shorts because I needed some new pair. Your girl's getting a little bit big. So all of my shorts that I have are, they can fit. $7. Got me a jacket. Needed a black one. I have all colors except for black. And then we found some towels, Amazon towels. My husband found some nice pants to wear. And this is Target brand. It had Target and Walmart, Amazon, anything you think of. And then my daughter found her little cute dress. And then me some nice joggers. I like the bottom of these and the color. And then for the boys, they needed something for their hats. So a hat stand. And I saw this on TikTok for like $15. And I was like, $7 at the bargain bin. But anyway, I found some good gems. Hopefully when I don't feel so overwhelmed the next time I go, I can dig through more and find some more things. I saw some other things that I liked, but they didn't have my size. And I think you have to go really early so you can catch everything when they freshly put everything out, because we went in the afternoon and it was packed and everybody was in there trying to get everything. but I had fun shopping there. I'm gonna go again because they have different days where they have different prices. They have $1 days, $5 days, $7 days. We went on Saturday, so it was $7 days. So it was so much fun, and I'm glad I got everything. Anyway, if you liked my vlog and you wanted to catch more of my content, make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the notifications. Y'all have a good day. Bye.